Hi, this is javinkharod, a chemical engineer by profession, going to continue our today's topic, petrochemical plant safety, strategy for mitigating risk and ensuring compliances. Now, what is that? Petrochemical plant play a vital role in global economy by converting natural resources into essential products. However, process involved possess significant risk, both personal and environment. Ensure safety and compliance exposure. Six strategy mitigating risk and enhance safety in the petrochemical plant. Now, understand the hazard. First step, safety strategy is conducting through risk assessment. This involves identify potential hazard, chemical spill, explosion, equipment failure, and human error. There are just few examples. Engaging multidisciplinary team, including engineer, safety officer, operational staff, help to provide a comprehensive view of the potential risk. Now, risk assessment should not one-time exercise. Regular review and update are essential account. Changes operation, new technology, evolve regulatory requirement, utilizing techniques such as hazard and operability study enhance depth of the assessment. Now, implement safety management system. A safety management system provides structured framework for managing safety risk. Effective safety management system integrates safety into every aspect of the plant operation, promoting culture, safety employee. Key component of include policy development, establish clear safety policy and objective training program, regular scheduled training session for all employees, understand safety protocol and emergency procedure, incident report, transparent system, reporting analyze incident and near miss to prevent future occurrence. Now, continuous improvement. They should emphasize continuous improvement, feedback loop, regular audit, performance, evaluation, help identify area and improvement reinforce protective safety culture. Now, advanced technology and automation. Embracing innovation. The petrochemical industry's significant advancement technology that can enhance safety for automation and remote monitoring system can reduce human exposure, hazardous conditions, implement sensor, Internet of Things device, improve real-time data, equipment performance and environment conditions, enabling quick response of the anomalies. Now, predictive maintenance. Using predictive analytical mitigate risk analysis data from the machinery, operator can predict failure before occur, allow timely maintenance and prevent accident and production downtime. Now, comprehensive plan. No safety strategy complete without well-developed emergency preparedness of the plant. This plan should detail response. Various scenarios include chemical spill, fire, natural disaster. Conducting regular drill simulation help employee become familiar emergency protocol, ensuring swift and coordinated response when needed. Now, engaging local emergency service and regulatory body, crucible establish clear line communication, collaboration improve the effectiveness emergency response. External agency provide additional resources supporting during crisis. Now, understanding regulations. Petrochemical plant adhere numerous regulations and standards such as Occupational Safety and Health Administration, Environment Protection Act, and agency guidelines. Staying informed about the current regulations is essential, ensuring compliances avoid penalty. Now, in addition, regulatory compliances adopted industries best practice further enhance safety. Participate industries organization allow plant manage to stay updated innovation safety practice implemented peer. Now, engaging employee a strong safety culture critical to success safety strategy, encouraging employee engagement, ownership, safety practice, forest environment, where everyone feels responsible for safety, can achieve safety committee, establish committee that include employee various levels to discuss safety concern, promote improvement, and recognize program, implement program, recognize reward, employee demonstrate a commitment, safety motivate, other follow suit. Now, open communication. Open communication create a culture communication is vital. Employees should feel comfortable, report unsafe conditions, practice without fear of retaliation, and transparency, quick identification potential hazard. Now, fire protection system evaluation. Fire hazard analysis include flammable liquid storage and production, process and storage area. Fire mitigation study include toxic commercial gas release modeling, design mitigation system, fire code consulting, fire compliance management and interpretation. Now, petrochemical and refining sector essential living there contribute range from the fuel use, automobile, plastic, detergent, medication, but there are also lot of risk hazard. Associate industries, refinery, petrochemical plant are some of the dangerous industrial setting in world because volatile compound used in their operation, safety environment, preservation, sustainable development depend on understand the danger. Now, refining and petrochemical industries, why safety is needed? Crude oil, refined in order to produce useful good like jet fuel, diesel, gasoline, lubricant, more. Order to create chemical like ethylene, propylene, benzene, toluene. They are necessary manufacture of the plastic, synthetic rubber, several commonplace item, petrochemical fraction and use the process hydrocarbon. The facility use high temperature reaction, high pressure system and the variety poisonous flammable material open around the clock. Consequent, the constant risk, equipment malfunction and environment catastrophe. The most frequent hazard and hazardous petrochemical refining facility is fire. The ignition source include static electricity, friction, electrical fault. Can result catastrophic fire, explosion because of presence of combustion gases, liquid, hydrogen, methane, LPG and gasoline. Now, dangerous explosion, fluid catalytic cracker or hydrocracker, tank farm storage, unit of process gas. Now, toxic chemical exposure, employee always risk combined to contact with dangerous substance, sulfur dioxide, ammonia, benzene and hydrogen sulfide. The chemical include inhale causing neurological and respiratory problem, abroad via the endemic and accident consume. Long-term health problem, cancer, neurological disorder, respiratory alignment, broad, prolonged exposure. Now, environment result. Environment significantly impact petrochemical and refining operation. Air pollution. This cause release of sulfur oxide, volatile organic compound and greenhouse gases. Water contamination. Wastewater is not adequately clean. It may contain hazardous chemical, heavy metal oil and contain surrounding water body. Soil contamination. Groundwater and soil may impact spill and leak in storage tank and pipe. Now, process safety failure. Complex chemical reaction subsequents are a part of refining process. This may become unbalanced, improper managed, which could result uncontrolled reaction, vessel excessive pressure, failure of material corrosion, erosion and instrumentation. Now, mechanical structural hazard. They are mechanical breakdown, cause deterioration, corrosion and manufacturing low. Falling when inspected equipment from height and pipe rupture, structural collapse under the stress. Now, ergonomic and occupational hazard. They are noise pollution, causes of loss of hearing, heat stress, result of hot condition, and musculoskeletal problem resulting manual lifting and repetitive activity. Risk associated with ship employment include exhaustion and sleep disturbance. One important risk minimization is occupational health management. Now, human and organization factor. They are insufficient instruction, ignorance, standard operating procedure. They are not being followed. And breakdown communication and shift change. And negligency brought by daily task. Now, technology, cull and preventive measure. Advanced monitoring system. They are gas detector, thermal imaging, system and leak detection repair, and distributed control system and SCADA system. Automation and AI integration. AI and machine learning being integrated. Modern facility. Process optimization. Detection of the predictive maintenance. This is need for human oversight, assist, overrating, malfunction because they happen. Now, emergency response plan are strategy predict. They are crucible, comprises, fire drill, procedure evacuation, cooperation, nearby hospital and fire unit. Now, refinery subject, straight restriction government, all world for guaranteed environment compliances and safety. The example are Occupational Safety and Health Administration, Environment Protection Agency, and PESO stand for Petroleum Explosive Safety Organization. Sustainable practice for future. Now petrochemical and refining sector are moving toward environment friendly practice. They are capturing, storing carbon, CCS, utilization, sustainable feedstock, system, closed loop water treatment, production, green hydrogen, digital twin technique for more secure simulation and design. In safeguarding communication employ, switching safer and sustainable method to support environmental social governance objective emphasize both basic and sophisticated industries knowledge. Their process for refining petroleum such as reforming catalytic cracking and crude distillation, petrochemical technology, generation polymer, aromatic steam cracking, flow diagram and process engineer, and refinement of chemical reaction engineering, fluid mechanics, and heat transfer and mass transfer, and energy balance. Now, conclusion. Both petrochemical and refining sector are essential dangerous by nature. Catastrophic explosion, long-term health effect, and environment contamination among the hazards. However, danger can greatly reduce appropriate risk identification, contemporary technology, rigorous adherence to safety procedure, strong safety culture. Make sure advancement doesn't come, expands people and environment. Industries must keep funding safety innovation, workforce development, and sustainability. Develop foundation. Safer petrochemical future will be responsibility, readiness, and vigilance. Okay, guys, this is up to our today's topic of the petrochemical plant safety strategy for mitigating risk and ensuring compliances. I hope you get sufficient knowledge after watching this video. Next Sunday, we have covered some another chemical engineering topics. Till then, goodbye. Do take good care of yourself.